Hi guys, it's the Creative Lefty. Welcome back. And today we are going to be making a DIY planner board. Okay, so to start out, I'm just going to cut off a piece of an Amazon box. So next I'm going to take some markers and write something on the top middle of the board. Okay, so if the middle of your board is a foot long, then you'll want to mark off 6.5/4 of an inch. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6.5. On both sides. Then draw a line. Next, draw a line to the bottom of your board on both sides. Once you're done marking your lines, write the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. After that, take some masking tape and tape all across your week planner. Now that you're done taping it, go to the left side of your board. On the top, write things to do /bucket list. Then, take a scrap piece of paper and trace it. And then tape that too. Now that you've got that all taped, go to the right side of your board. Write reminders and to-do list. Next, trace a piece of paper like you did on the left side. Now that you have that side traced, tape it. Okay, once you have that done, I'm going to decorate my board. Right here, I'm going to draw a flower. Next, I'm going to draw a snowflake on this side. Now that I'm finished making the snowflake, I am going to draw a bunch of flowers and snowflakes above my weekly planner. And this isn't all it is. Do you know why we taped them? Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below what was your favorite part about this craft. And also, while you're at it, please give a thumbs up down below. And also, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with all of your friends. See you in my next video.